If you want to turn on or off the subject field in the Messages app on your iPhone, you can easily adjust this setting. The subject field is useful for labeling your messages, especially when texting multiple recipients. Here's a detailed guide on how to enable or disable the subject field. How to turn on or off subject field in Messages. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll until you find the app's option. Scroll down again, find the Messages option and tap on it. Find the Subject Field option. Look for the Show Subject Field toggle. Enable or disable the subject field. To turn on the subject field, toggle the switch to the on position, green. To turn off the subject field, toggle the switch to the off position, gray. Close the Settings app. Once you've made your selection, you can exit the Settings app. The change will take effect immediately. By following these steps, you can easily manage the subject field in your Messages app, helping you organize your conversations as needed. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.